Hi, I'm Jack with Savage Geese, and this is my all-new C8 ZO6. Scratches, swirl marks, loss of gloss, rock chips, these are all paint defects that can take away from the appearance of a brand new car. This is Jack's brand new ZO6 and it's in the shop today so we can protect it from all the paint defects that may happen in the future. First stop here in the prep area, we're gonna clean it up and get it ready to wrap it in paint protection film, ceramic coat it, and then work on the inside too. So let's get started. We're gonna show you how it's done. One of the most important things we try to tell customers when bringing in their car, just bring it straight to us because unfortunately the paint can be very soft and very sensitive. If a dealership does wash it, puts in a risk of adding scratches, swirls, and stuff that we're gonna have to take out, and then it'll cost you extra time and money to do this. So Jack actually put this track wrap, because he actually drove this from Kentucky, and this is stuff that you can get from XPEL, and it's temporary paint protection film to put on there just so it doesn't get any rock chips while he drove it back from Kentucky, which is a very smart thing to do, because once a rock chip happens, it's hard to take it away. So we're gonna peel this off. You can see it comes off very easy. We'll just peel this off before we actually start washing the car and everything. So I have an Elkhart Lake Blue 2LZ trim level C8 ZO6. So in a standard C8, they have 3 trim levels, 1LT, 2LT, 3LT. ZO6s are 1LZ, 2LZ, 3LZ. All right, the guys just got done prepping the vehicle, and now you would think that most new vehicles would be perfect, right? But that's far from the case. A lot of vehicles that we see in here have minor swirls, scratches, maybe some transport damage, and then manufacturer paint defects like we showed you, like the dust nibs. Everything needs to be fixed before we put our protection options on it. So the guys are getting ready to look over the vehicle, do a very light paint correction on it, see if there's anything that's maybe stuck on the paint before we actually put our paint protection film on. They're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get it into the window tint department so they can tint these windows. It's a very early VIN 36, which means it should be a good indication of what these cars are actually like to live with. It means every TSB, recall, and issue you could possibly imagine a C8 ZO6 incurring will probably happen to my car being such an early VIN.
So our tinters just finished tinting the ZO6. Now we're gonna send it to our PPF guys where they're gonna be applying XPEL Ultimate Plus 10 mil paint protection film to the entire vehicle.
So day 2 of working on the ZO6, we've got the whole front end done. We got the quarters on, the doors are on. So I think today we're gonna focus on doing the rockers. We're gonna do this entire roof. We're gonna try and get this trunk piece on and then probably reassemble some of the car and keep rolling on it.
Final day, all right. These two have been banging this thing out for like 73 days. It looks really, really good. We're doing the final stuff on this rear bumper, like the rear diffuser. get a shot of that. That thing's a pain in the butt. It's really hard to do. But we're just doing the final stuff, and then we're gonna get it over to coating, and they're gonna make it look beautiful.
So the PPF installer just finished wrapping the entire car, so now it is in detail for ceramic coating. We are going to be applying XPEL Fusion Plus to the entire car. We are going to be applying it to the glass, wheels, calipers, and paint.
This Z06 is now fully covered in paint protection film. They did some ceramic coating on top of that, and they window tinted all the windows. This Z06 is now protected from all possible paint defects like scratches and swirls with that self-healing top coat. Absolutely amazing. This car is beautiful. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below in the description. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.